JBL Bass Pro Hub spare wheel subwoofer. It comes in a box like this, right? From Germany. It comes with a remote cable with a remote which has bass boost, low pass filter and gain, right? It comes with a screw to hold it into the wheel well, like the original car screw, roughly. It's not the same, but hopefully it will fit. We'll try it on a Passat B6. We'll make a video once I fit it later. So you got instructions, screw, remote, power cables, but it doesn't come with a cable that actually goes from the battery till here, so you have to buy a subwoofer kit with a cable that you'll have to solder to this. Basically, you got a plug in here, you got from the amplifier input, if you have an amplifier or an aftermarket radio. This one's from the factory radio, and as I said, this is the plus, this is the minus, the ground, and this one should be straight from the battery. Then you got the remote, this one is to enable it, and this is the handle that screws in here, but I unscrewed it so you guys can see where it's going. So this is the sub. You have two handles, one here and one which I removed, so you can see what it goes in there. You got the fuse on it, 30 amps. It's not too bad. And in case you don't know where the cables are going, it's printed on it which wire goes where. You get this plug, it goes in there, and from here you have to do yourself, because it's not like basically plug and play. You do have to get some more cables with it, like RCA longer wires to connect to your amp, or if you're connecting it to a factory radio, you don't need a high to low input, because you can just connect this ones as I said, but you do need some extra cable so you can have where to connect it to the speakers, right? And basically this is it. It's a bit difficult for me to do one hand, but try to turn it around without meshing up. You got the membrane in here. This is sub inside. As you can see, this whole part is a sub covered by this metal. It's metal. It's an alloy. I don't assume it's aluminium because it's quite heavy. But there you go. This is JBL Bass Pro Hub, and it's gonna be fitted later on. I'll make a video for that as well. Thank you for watching.